So after you get the cover off, you see this tiny little rubber band right here. There's one there. There's one down there somewhere. Way down there somewhere. Right there. Way down there. And there's one right there, which I already took off. Right in there. Okay. First, you have to take this thing off right here, which there was a screw in, so I took that off. And the next thing you got to do is you got to take this thing off right here. And you got to be, I took it off once already, but you got to be really gentle prying it off. Okay, so you can see, you have it off. And these little glue things, you got to be a little gentle kind of prying those things off of the motherboard. So you see you had to pry this one open, this one, and this one. And that's pretty easy to do. But trying to get it out of these two things, you see there's this little arm. There's this little arm, which I had to put a toothpick on because I broke mine. And that would be going into here. And that's really hard to do to get the whole thing out. Okay, now there's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3 screws that got to be removed. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Don't know if you can see them. 1, 2, 3. Take those out. So I built this little rig out of tape to hold it all together, and I put JB Weld. Put JB Weld. That takes 24 hours to heal, and hopefully that'll hold it all together. So I've got it set up here. I got the wires going back in. And you got to look at the position of the camera here. And so now this thing has got to fit into here. And then that rubber piece has got to get into there. And then, and then these two on the side are really hard to get in to there. But hopefully this will help. So look at the position of the camera. Make sure yours is aligned the same way. So I managed to get this back together, and I put this onto here, and I put that thing onto there. And now I'm going to put the cover plate over and put a screw into here.